Yesterday, one of my viewer on my channel asked me to make a video on org Roam. Personally, I have never used it for taking notes. Org Roam is basically a replica of a software called Roam. I have not really used Roam as well, but I know a little bit about what Roam can do and what org Roam can do as well. Org Roam is basically a clone or a replica of Roam, which is basically uh, something that you can use in case you want to link your different nodes. So the way it works is, let us say you are making a note and you think that this particular note or this particular keyword will be or can be linked to some other file or some other note, for example, you have the option to link it. And when you are making a lot of notes and when you have a lot of information stored in your org files, with these interconnections, these links, you can also make some kind of a mind map. Now, I do take a lot of notes. I spend quite a lot of time using org mode for taking notes, keeping a list of things that I have to do. I also use it for blogging. I publish my blogs using org mode, but I never really tried or attempted to use org Roam, because when I looked at the documentation, although it is not massively difficult to configure it, when I look at the GitHub page where there are some instructions, but there is definitely some learning curve as well later on. So when you are working with Emacs, I'm sure you know that using Emacs is not really about you install it and you can use it from day one. Emacs can do a lot of things, but you need to know how to make it work for you. Even to understand what the documentation is saying, you have to know some basics of how you can configure it that will help you in your own workflow. The same is applicable for org Roam. Frankly speaking, I was not really thinking of using it, um, but after watching few videos online and also after reading the comment of one of my viewer, I'm now curious to see what all it can do for me. I know what it can do, but I just need to try it myself, and I need to give you my honest opinion whether I like it or not, or whether it is adding any value to the overall process of note taking. And I, as I mentioned before, take a lot of notes. I actually rely on org mode quite a lot. Uh, and I'm sure that it is true for everyone who is using Emacs and org mode. They use it because of the simplicity. Of course, there is a learning curve, but once you overcome those initial challenges and once you are beyond the learning curve, I don't think there is any going back. The same can be true for org Roam as well. And now I will definitely give it a try, and maybe in the near future I will definitely give you my feedback on org Roam. But honestly speaking, it does look promising, and if you are thinking of an application that can generate some kind of a graph or a mind map where you can also link multiple nodes together, and if you're using Emacs already, then you can definitely take a look at org Roam. So this is all I wanted to share in this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you learned something new today. Thank you very much.